Hello, I'm John Moore, a hybrid infrastructure consultant at Bechtle, and for the next 2 minutes I want to take you through our infrastructure in a box solution. IT is getting more complex and the areas you need to manage are growing daily. But when a problem does arise, it leads you to having to manage multiple vendors in different ways under different contracts to solve even the simplest of tasks. Each element of your environment needs to be secure, and keeping one step ahead of vulnerabilities is not easy. Maintenance often requires the environment to be offline, and deploying multiple vendor firmware sets mean coordinating changes that require resources to work on weekends. Backup alone creates headaches, and in many cases creates exposure for hours or even days when recovering from a hardware failure or users deleting files. With a lack of time, resource, and common tool sets, knowing and testing that we can recover from a disaster or something as trivial as a server failure is being missed in most organizations. Away from the technical operations, your business is seeking to move ever forward and wants an environment that just works. They need to launch services that aid the business with their customers. They require flexibility from IT, scalability from the infrastructure, and for the IT department to concentrate on projects, not just keeping the lights on. Bechtle's infrastructure in a box provides everything in a turnkey plug-and-play solution. Compute, networking and storage are provided in a 3-node solution and are managed via a simple web browser-based interface. The entire solution is easily deployed and easily managed. Your data is protected constantly, and updates for the whole environment are applied without downtime. With the ability to configure DR within the nodes, you can offer your business a stable, resilient platform covered by 24/7 maintenance on a single telephone number for the entire solution. Bechtle's infrastructure in a box, powered by scale.